Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 7th, assignment number 8, topic is air, winds and cyclones. In that first question, how do you show that air exerts pressure by a simple experiment? See, take a syringe and remove its needle. Now pull its plunger backwards to some extent. Then hold your finger or put your finger at the tip of the syringe and press the piston. You can experience the pressure exerted by a air. Inside the air will compresses and exerts pressure on your fingertip. That is the simple experiment we can show in classroom activity. Okay. Next question. How the hot air is lighter than cold air? Prove it. For that we need to take two disposable glasses or plastic glasses, paper glasses or paper cups, or two balloons of same kind, First you tie with a thread. This is broomstick, and at the middle, approximately at the middle, tie with a thread, and the paper cup inverted position, we have to tie and tie at the two ends of the broomstick. Now initial condition is it acts as a balance, level balance, weighing balance. Okay, both are with same weights, no? So it appears to be horizontal position. Now you place the candle, okay, lighted candle at below the one paper cup. What happens? The air inside the cup get heated up. Hot air becomes lighter than the cold air, so the cup gradually moves up. The cold air which is there in the left side paper cup will be, cold air is heavier, so it moves down. Hot air is lighter, so it will move up. So we can observe the balance. That means the paper cup right side is above the horizontal level, and this is below the, if you initial condition is this is the horizontal position. Now it comes down and this goes up because of hot air is lighter than the cold air. Okay. Next question. How can you explain that air expands on heating? Air expands on heating. See, you take a injection bottles will be there, no? Small injection bottles. Remove the total cap or rubber cap. Next to put a hole on the rubber cap and take a empty refill and remove that needle or pin or nib of the refill. Now insert that empty refill into the rubber cork or rubber cap. Now take a small drop of water at the top of the refill, water drop on the top of the refill. Okay, top of the refill. Now rub your hands for some time, so that hands get heated up because of the friction. So that hot hands gently hold the injection bottle, complete its surface, injection bottle like this. You hold for some time. What happens? The total heat energy will be transmitted to air inside the injection bottle, and that air expands. You can observe the water drop inflates. The water drop will be inflates. See, in second diagram you can observe clearly the water drop inflates. Okay. Now same condition, if you place this ice cubes, you take ice cubes, you place this bottle on the ice cubes for sometime what happens? The total air inside the injection bottle gets contracts. So the water drop gradually moves down. So air inside the bottle expands and also contracts on cooling. Expands on heating, contracts on cooling. Okay, with this experiment we can give the information about the expansion of gases. Okay. So with this today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.